All right, we're going to go through the second part of the chapter 4 review, number 1. Number 10 says determine which triangles are congruent by angle, angle, side. And so if we look at the given information, we see that we have a right angle here, right angle here. We have sides here. And then what we could notice is that we have vertical angles here. And so what we are looking at is this triangle here and this triangle here. And making sure that the B and the D are the right angles, that they correspond. The correct one that we're looking for is choice D. And so if we look at number 11, we are looking which triangles are congruent by angle, side, angle. And so if we look at, first thing that I notice, aside from the given information, is that if I'm looking for an angle, an included side, I have an angle here to an angle here, an angle here to an angle here, and then by the reflexive property, I would have this side to itself. And so that's going to tell me that I am looking at this triangle congruent to this triangle. And so that would be choice C. If we look at number 12, we're looking to determine which triangles are congruent by angle, angle, side. And if we're looking at, we have a angle here and an angle here. We have an angle here to an angle here. And then what we would have is this side that is reflexive. And so the triangles that I'm looking at would be this blue triangle here and this red triangle here, and that is going to be choice A. And then number 13, the last one, says that if we are looking at if triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DEF. So let me get the visual started for that. We have triangle ABC and triangle DEF. And we are also told that this side right here is 22. Would immediately know that over here is 22. That angle ABC is 41. So this is 41. This is 41. And then angle DFE is 45. 45. So that would mean this is 45. If we look at what we have here, AB is equal to ED. We know that that is true, that angle C is congruent to angle F, and that is true. Segment CA is congruent to segment DF, and that is true. The only thing that we cannot is if we look at this, it says the measure of angle DEF is 94. Angle DEF would be this angle here, and that angle is 41, which is not true. It's this angle here that is 94.